Good morning, everyone. I want to ask you a question and I want to really think about it. When was the last time something completely surprised you? Not a small surprise, like an unexpected gift, like a big surprise, the kind that make you stop and think and say to yourself, I do not know the world was like this. For me, that feeling happened not once, not twice, but 8 times, once in each country I visited. And each time I came back home a little different, a little wiser, and a little more human. Hello and Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Urfa Pirzada and I am a pre level student. I know what you might be thinking. She is very young. What can a young student possibly know about the world? And honestly, that's a fair question. But here is what I've learned. Age does not decide how much you can feel. And truly feeling something is the beginning of all real learning. I've been lucky enough to visit 8 countries with my family. And those journeys did not only show me new places, they changed the way I see people. They even changed the way I see myself. Now, let me take you on a small journey with me. In Saudi Arabia, I stood in the holy city of Makkah. I looked around the 1,000 people wearing all simple white clothes. No rich person, no poor person, no more important than anyone else. And I thought, what a beautiful idea that in front of God we are all equal. In Iran, I went through a bazaar. The colors were everywhere carpet, spices, painted tiles. A woman I've never met before saw me looking confused. I did not speak her language, she did not speak mine. But she smiled, she smiled and pointed me at the right direction. Kindness did not need a language, it has its own. In Iraq, I met people who went through a very difficult times of war and loss, time that I cannot even imagine from my safe, comfortable life. Yet, they welcomed us into their home, gave us their best food, they laughed, they sang, they danced, reminding me that hardship does not always make people cold. Sometimes it makes them kinder. In Lebanon, I tasted a food I always dream about. In Qatar, a city that looks like it came from the future, tall glass towers near to all mosques. In the UAE, I visited museums, markets, and I thought a country can be both modern and deeply rooted in its history at the same time. In Oman, I saw a sea at night. The stars were so bright, and and I thought the same stars shine over every country, the same moon, the same sky. Yet we focused on what makes us different. In Syria, a country that we always heard in our difficult news stories, I found ancient history over here that took my breath away. Ruins of civilizations thousands years old, reminding me that before offer any modern differences, there were human beings on this earth who also dreamed, who also loved, who also built something they wanted to last forever. Now, think of someone you know who is very different from you. Different background, different style of dressing, eating, or praying. Have you ever wondered what their life feels from inside? That is what travel did for me. It made me stop seeing people as different and seeing them like the stories I had not read yet. Now, what is my message to you today? You do not have to travel 8 countries to grow. You do not have to carry a passport and get on a plane. You only have to do one simple thing. Be curious. Be curious about people around you. Ask their stories with wonder, not suspicion. Listen, really listen, when someone speaks a different truth. Here is when a real journey begins. Not at an airport, but here, inside you. Travel is not about collecting stamps in a passport. It's about collecting lessons in your heart. The more we explore the world, the more we discover that what connects us is far greater than what separates us. Thank you so much.